A guide you to disable dark mode on YouTube app. So let's go ahead into the YouTube first. From there, let's say if it is on the dark mode and for me it is in the light mode. So let's see how to disable that dark mode. You need to tap on the profile, which means you, and from there you need to tap on the settings and you need to go ahead into the general. For me that is the first option here and tap on there. Here you need to go for appearance over there. If you tap on that, it will ask you for changing. You can use device theme or device light theme or even the dark theme. Device theme is that if you toggled on dark theme for your device, that will be displayed over the dark theme. Let's say if you have chosen light theme, that will be displayed over light theme. You can change it as well for that specifically. So let's say if you think that dark mode is on YouTube, so let's say dark mode will be appear like this. Now if you need to disable that, you need to again tap on the appearance over there and you can switch it to the light theme. Otherwise you can change it to the use device theme. This is how disable dark mode on YouTube app. Thank you.